What's the word, YouTube? Back at y'all with another video, man. It feels like I haven't recorded in such a long time, yo. Like, I genuinely miss y'all. I miss recording. I don't know if I'm gonna get this video out. I've been so busy this past weekend. Like, I uploaded on Thursday, but ever since then I've just been super busy with just life and stuff, school. So I don't know if I'm gonna get this video out. I usually post at 5, but I don't know if y'all can see, but it's going on 6 o'clock right now. So if I don't get this video out today, I'll definitely get it up tomorrow. Probably post early tomorrow morning. Probably post at like 9 or 10 or so. Just to, like, you know, I want to stay consistent, yo. I don't want to miss a day and then not hit y'all the next day. Like, I'm not gonna do that to y'all. Hopefully we can get our video up. Hopefully we can get the video up on Thursday. That'd be great if I can. But yeah, man, not too much once again going on with the car. I do have a list of things that I want to get done. And I've probably already said this in other vlogs, but yeah, I got some stuff that I still want to get done to the car, but it's just some things I got to deal with right now. That's gonna delay that process. Car's still running great. I haven't had any issues. I do have some little I'm gonna say maintenance, but I need to get new wipers. And they're not that expensive, but that's something that I need to get like ASAP. Because when it rains, like, these wipers they're shot. I'm gonna be honest. I think whenever we restored the car, he put in like these the little replacement ones that he didn't get the actual ones. I think he just put in like little replacement ones, and they work, but they're done right now. They just need to be replaced. I need to just get like new ones. So but yeah, other than that, the car, man, I can't complain, yo. I can't complain. Hold on, let me fix this camera. I'm taking y'all with me because I'm going to go get something to eat real quick, and then I'm gonna try to get some, like, I'm gonna do kind of like some I'm gonna get some shots of the car. So I think I'm gonna try to get another YouTube short put out. Try to film some more shots for the car. So we'll see. But yeah, I've been seeing some new subs and some new viewers coming in, man. Welcome to the channel, yo. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, yo. Really do appreciate it. And yeah, trust me, y'all are not going unnoticed. I do see y'all. I really do appreciate y'all for tuning in, yo. I've been trying to get like better with like the quality of the videos instead of just giving y'all like yap sessions. That's kind of ironic because I'm kind of yapping right now, but I'm really trying to give y'all more quality videos, you know? So I don't want to just keep on giving y'all the same repetitive content, you know? I'm trying to like kind of switch it up. And it's hard, you know? It's kind of hard, especially whenever you don't got nothing to record, you know? There's nothing really going on with the car. And you know, I don't want to keep filming these POVs all the time, so I'm trying to kind of find ways to switch it up a little bit, you know? But yeah, like I said, it's hard, man. It really is. I honestly do. I really hope y'all are enjoying the content, man, because it really is fun making these videos for y'all. I'm gonna be honest. I don't just do this just so I can grind out to get money. I do this because it's actually fun and I enjoy to do it, you know? That's why, that's like one of the main reasons why I'm so consistent, is because it's fun to do. Like, I really do enjoy doing it. It's become a hobby to me, you know? I think I'm gonna try to take y'all to those back roads again. I think I'm gonna try to take y'all to those back roads again, back where I was doing the photo shoot with my guy Colton. Cause those roads back there were really, really nice, especially with how nice it was that day. Yeah, but I know one thing that I really want to do. I really, really, really want to get an exhaust on this car, man. Like, I want to be able to hear this car. Like, I just want to make the car more enjoyable to drive, you know? Not that it's not already enjoyable to drive, but I'm, like, speaking in general, like, I really want to make this car, you know, a thrill, you know? But yeah, I don't know. I've been seeing a couple videos on like what I can do, as far as like res deletes and MagnaFlow mufflers, and then I've seen some like headers, people putting headers on the car. So I don't know. That's one thing I really want to do. I'll tell y'all that's one thing on the list that I really want to do, just to make the car, you know, a little more exciting to drive. But I'm headed to Chick-fil-A right now. I'm not even getting food. I'm just getting this I don't know if y'all heard of it. It's this new shake that they got. So I'm literally just getting that. I'm definitely gonna take this camera off my forehead while I'm ordering, because they're gonna look at me like I'm dumb, if I'm being honest. And I would too if somebody had a head mount on their, wow, that's a lot of people. If somebody had a head mount on their forehead while trying to order food, I would be weirded out too. Man, this is a lot of people right here. Yeah, I'm gonna just pick up the camera whenever I get my get whatever I'm gonna get. And yeah. Alright, y'all. So I got the milkshake. I've been low-key killing it because it's fire. I can't even lie to you. I've been sitting here killing it, but right now I'm finna try to find a spot for me to get some shots in for the car, because it's really nice outside. I'm gonna go out this way. Yeah, I'm definitely going out this way because I'm gonna have a better chance of getting out. I think I'm gonna just go to the mall, see if I can get some shots there, because like I said, it's really nice outside. That was the longest light ever. But yeah, I'm gonna try to find like somewhere like down here where I can like get some shots in. Or maybe I go on the top of the garage or something. I'm gonna pick the camera back up whenever I find my spot that I'm gonna go to. Alright, y'all. I have made it to the spot, and I am going to shoot some shots for the car real quick. I think it's a pretty nice spot. I've never been up here, but yeah, I think it's a pretty cool spot, you know. It's a cool area for me to just kind of be able to freely record, you know. The car is really dirty. I don't even know if the camera's picking it up, but the car is super dirty. In the front, the sides is not that bad. But If y'all tuned into my last video, y'all saw I added a spoiler on the car. It's been holding up pretty good, so yeah, I'm happy with it. Yep, hopefully it stays. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Hopefully it stays sturdy or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna shoot a couple little things with the car real quick, and I'm probably gonna end the video. Appreciate y'all for watching. Appreciate all the new subs, the love and support. If you're new to the channel, man, welcome. If you love E39 content, this is the place to be. Subscribe right now. I post on Mondays and Thursdays, except for today. This is probably gonna go up on Tuesday. But yeah, appreciate y'all for watching, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know, do all the YouTube stuff. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.